What's up guys, it's Alessandra and today I'm taking it back. We're doing a get ready with me video. Gasp. I haven't done one of these since I was maybe 16. Yeah, it's been a minute. Now I'm almost 20. Technically a lot of people want to know how to prepare yourself for a video. So I feel like, let me show you. It's quite simple. This is just how I get ready, man. It's just what I do. So I'm basically going to show you makeup, hair, and how to get dressed for a video. Keep watching. Okay, so like I go back and forth between my house and my dorm. So I left my like powder brush there and my mom just went on vacation. So now I don't have like a brush. So we're going to use a tissue or something. We're going to figure out how to put on powder on your face without a brush or a sponge because I don't have either of them. Okay, so anyways, step number 1, I prime my face with the Tarte base tape. Also, I am not an expert. Next, I'm going to go in just with my e.l.f. concealer. You know, $3 does the job. Gotta do what you gotta do. It works. And you're done. No, I'm kidding. Okay. Now I'm just gonna blend that all in. Okay, so we've reached the point where I have to set this and I don't have anything. So this is the powder. It's just, I have no idea what brand this is. It's just a powder. Like, my mom gave it to me. So I was like, okay, and it has no brand. So we're going with it. Okay, let me go find a tissue. Okay, we have toilet paper. I'm just gonna dab it or rub it, whatever, to make it come off, and I guess just kind of slightly rub it on my face. Okay, why is this working? It's actually working decently. Not complaining. Okay, it worked. I'm so surprised. Okay, now I'm just gonna take a contouring brush and Too Faced the Chocolate Soleil bronzer, whatever you want to call it, Soleil. I don't know. And not drop it. But we're gonna contour this face, make it look like I have that lip filler, something injections when I don't, because we're poor. Don't forget to contour your nose, because we want to make our noses look snatched, and like we got that nose job, but we never did. Ha. I like to just blend it out with my fingers. I feel like that's like the softest effect, so you don't look harsh. Sometimes if I'm feeling wild and like I actually put on foundation when I'm like going out, I'll take concealer and I'll put it right under here, like along with the contour, to make it like extra sharp. But I'm gonna be honest with you, I have nowhere to be today, so we're not doing that. That's too much work. Okay, next I'm going to just lightly fill in my brows. I just got them done, so I don't have to do much to them, but I'm still going to just do the front a little. Okay, so I don't put on eyeshadow. I don't really like the way it looks on me, so I'm just going to take an eyeliner, like a liquid one, and then just slightly do a tiny little wing. That's like what I do. It's what I like. And if you're one to not look good with wing eyeliner, when you do a wing, don't bring it across the entire eyelid, if that makes sense. Like, only do like the outer third of your eye and just leave it like that, and just kind of make it blend into your natural like line of your eye. It looks so much better, and it doesn't look like you have a lot of makeup on either if you're not one to want to look like you have any makeup on at all. Just a very natural low-key wing. It works. highlighter on. I'm going to go in with the same mascara I've been using for like 10 years, the Better Than Sex by Too Faced. Watermelon sugar high. Then you're going to want to take a setting spray such as the All Nighter from Urban Decay, and you're going to spray it all up in there, and then I'll tell you what to do next. Whew. Got that all up in my mouth. Okay, I forgot that too. Oh my. I forgot the brush the fan brush you put your highlight on. Why am I such a mess? Okay, we're gonna get a brush and we're gonna figure this out. Okay, I just got a very tiny eyeshadow brush and we're gonna go in with this Ofra highlighter Star Island. And we're gonna, looks like that, and we're gonna take the off, so lightly brush it. A little tap like the professionals do. We're just gonna go right on our cheekbones. I wish I had my fan brush. And then, because we don't have the fan brush, we're going to take our fingers and rub that out. Okay, nice. You're acting like a diva saying you don't want to pay. It's gotta be a little on the bridge of the nose, because like I said, we did the contour. I like the corners of the eyes when I'm doing videos. It just makes your eyes pop a bit. Little under the eyebrows. Little right here, like in the T-zone, because you want to glow. Little right there. And you are done with the makeup. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Now we're moving on to hair. Lord help me. I hate curling my hair, but do it for the video. For the vlog. So I'm using the 3-in-1 New Me. It's now 2012 again. If you couldn't tell. But yeah, we're just gonna let that heat up a little bit. I have it on the highest, like the fattest the fattest adapter thing that you put on top. So we just want like curls, but not like curls. So it's just enough to have that wavy effect, so you're looking a little bit nice. I have dry shampoo. I do have dry shampoo. My hair's a little, some dry shampoo in there. Of course, when I go to film the video, my hair kind of already looks the way I want it to, and I didn't even like use a curling iron. So now I'm like, I don't want to curl my hair because it looks fine, but I'm like, for the video, man, I gotta make content. Phenomenal. Okay, since I'm getting ready for a video, I like this to be quick because like it's already been probably 45 minutes on my end, so I want to get this over with so I can film the video and actually do what I have to do. So I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail, just curl the ends of it, and then I'll work on the front, and then okay. This is just gonna leave it in like a loose ponytail. And now we're gonna start our 80s workout. Girls, put our leg warmers on. Oh boy, it's been a day. And then just start curling, my man. Raise that brow. Love it when you look at me that way. Now we're in the border and mojito at the bar. Reapply your lip because it came from. Okay. Finally, it is done. Now I'm just going to take all of this out. And I'm just going to take the front part and just recurl it a little bit. And just kind of pull it out as you go, so it's not a harsh curl, and just kind of go like that. That's really much all I wanted to do. So basically I'm just gonna spray like such, a little bit on the front, and then flip your head over and just do the same thing. Phenomenal. And then just do a little bit of that. So I want them to stay for work tomorrow. Yay! Yay! Curls! Now, pick out an outfit. Since we are doing a video, you're probably only going to see from waist up. so you don't really have to worry about pants. I've known many people growing up while watching videos who at the end will be like, yeah, I'm not wearing any pants right now, and I'm just like, oh, okay. But for me, I have leggings on, so I'm just gonna probably pop either a nice sweatshirt on or a nice top, you know. I don't know yet. Let me look into my drawers and see what I have. I don't know why I'm rushing now suddenly. Okay, so I put on just like this tank top and has a little hood on the back. That's all you really have to do. And so you look presentable, and that's it. And this probably took, the camera says, 26 minutes. Okay, that's pretty good. That's not bad at all. Now you could do whatever you want, whatever kind of video you want. I used to do this back then when my channel, like 2 years ago. And I said to myself, I wouldn't be like a beauty guru anymore. I would just focus on like funny stuff, like vlogs and things like that. But, I mean, you gotta do what you originally planned because that's where your heart was to begin with. So I was like, you know what? Let's go back in time a little bit today. So I hope you enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what other videos you'd like to see me do. And subscribe. Alright, I'll see you guys next Tuesday. Bye.
Won't you take me home? I wanna ride it. I don't wanna know. Ride it. Just lose control. Ride it. Ride it. My soul.